Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Greg and this is the place where you will see how things work from the IT trainer's perspective. I'm going to give you some tips, some recommendations, and some of them are going to be quite unique. In this video, I'm going to show you different types of microphones and headsets that I use during my presentations. This video is not sponsored in any way. All microphones and headsets I bought myself. I cannot show you all available devices here. I'm going to show you only the ones that I use on daily basis. So this is going to be the first. This is going to be a headset Logitech H800, which has built-in microphone here, which is quite handy here because when I have this headset on, I can choose my microphone here. This is the test of Logitech H800 headset microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen to the sound of my voice and all background noise which is picked up by this microphone. And now keyboard test. You can hear that the quality of this microphone is quite acceptable. However, if you want to deliver your trainings with much better quality of audio, you will have to choose a little bit different microphone. The second thing that I'm going to show you is something that can be used together with these headphones, because if I don't want to use this microphone, I can use this one, which is Antlion ModMic Wireless. It is, I believe, one of the best wireless microphone, and it has magnet here. It can be attached to my headphone. And now, instead of using this microphone, I can use this microphone. This is the test of Antlion ModMic Wireless microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen to the sound of my voice and all the background noise which is picked up by this microphone. Now keyboard test. This microphone has two different options. I'm going to change to the second mode, which is going to be unidirectional. This is the test of Antlion ModMic Wireless microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen to the sound of my voice and all the background noise which is picked up by this microphone. Now let's check the keyboard. You see, the quality is a little bit different because it has some noise cancelling features. However, if you want to have much better voice quality, you have to switch it back to this omnidirectional mode. The quality of voice is much better, however, it picks up much more background noise. It depends on you and in which environment you are going to deliver your training. Let me tell you a few things about this microphone. I can attach it, of course. You heard that the quality of this microphone is really good. There is a button here, and right now this microphone is muted. When I press the button, now it is unmuted. Now it is muted again. There is also this yellow color here, which shows you that this microphone needs recharging. When I attach this microphone to this headset, unfortunately, I will not be able to see these colors, but there is an adapter, USB adapter, and it also shows you these colors here. Let me show you. Oh, now it is. Now it is muted. When I unmute it, okay, color disappears, and now once again, so you will see whether your mic is on or off. Unfortunately, there's one thing. There is no side tone effect here. It means that you will not be able to hear your voice. The only way is when we use this headset this way. Of course, you can try to turn this side tone effect in your computer, but there's always the problem with latency, the problem with this echo. It doesn't work in real time. So if you really want to hear your voice, especially when there's going to be some kind of noise outside, you will have to know exactly what is picked up by your microphone. It is much better than you have other headsets that have this side tone effect built in. And the next device is going to be this Sony WH-1000XM4 headset, which is quite interesting, but unfortunately, even if I use this headset during presentations, I never use this built-in microphone. I'm going to demonstrate this microphone, but the quality is not that good. You can hear that the quality of voice here is very poor. However, I'm going to use these headphones for different reasons, because I love this noise cancelling feature which these headphones offer. This is a test of Elgato Wave 3 microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen to the sound of my voice and all background noise which is picked up by this microphone. Now the keyboard test. As I told you previously, the reason I use these headsets here is this active noise cancelling system. Okay, because when I put this headset on, I can't hear a thing from the outside. Okay, so when I plug this jack in these headphones, I can hear exactly what is picked up by this microphone. Let me explain what this zero latency monitoring system is, because right now I can hear my voice without any echo. I can hear exactly what I'm saying. And of course, the only thing that I can hear is what comes from this microphone, because I have this headset with active noise cancelling system on. So there's no outside noise here. There's only something which comes from this microphone. And of course, I can explain things, I can deliver training as I always do. But suddenly there's going to be some kind of noise, just like you can hear right now. A lot of noise, sometimes it can be very annoying, okay? But I really want you to focus on my voice. So what I can do, I can just change the gain on this microphone. I will have to be a little bit closer to this microphone, and still I can talk to you, I can explain things, and we can discuss things. But when suddenly this background noise stops, I can change this gain to its original position and I can continue. But if there's going to be very hot outside, sometimes these headsets are not very comfortable because your ears are fully covered by these headphones. And it can be quite hot inside. So if that's the case, I'm going to use the second headset with this wireless ModMic microphone. However, if you want to have much more control over your environment, this is going to be much better choice. But remember, there's going to be this cable all the time. If you want to go somewhere, you have to take off this headset. There are many different microphones, many different headsets. They can have similar or different specifications. Of course, prices can be different, but I wanted to show you things from a little bit different perspective. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Maybe you found something interesting here to make your presentations and trainings much better. I would appreciate if you subscribe my channel and make some comments below. See you next time.